I think you guys have done incredibly well. How long have you been in business? How long has IndiCure been in business?
It's been almost 8 months.
Yeah, well, it shows. It's a well-greased machine. One thing moves directly into the next. You can see it's like a well-greased machine. The systems work. You've probably ironed out all the little problems in the first year or two, and you no longer have any. Okay, well, my name is Jon Winter, and I come from New Zealand, Auckland, and a situation arose where I had need for 2 knee replacements, and the cost of doing them in New Zealand was simply, I thought, too much. So we looked for options elsewhere and settled on India. We Googled and found the company IndiCure, and from the very beginning they were incredibly supportive, basically as an interactor between ourselves and the hospitals that were necessary, that were involved in the knee replacements. And so they basically set the whole thing up with the hospitals, with an incredibly good surgeon that has done a really good job of the knee replacements. And I have nothing but positive to say about the IndiCure people. They have been supportive, they have been informative, communicative. I have no idea how I would have negotiated this whole thing being in Mumbai, in India, by myself. I can only but recommend them. We found them basically without reference on the internet. Their website we established is a secure and a good one, so they are completely reliable, trustworthy. Basically transport between the hotel and the hospitals. Once you get to the hospital, you're completely lost. They are there to sort of help you through the whole thing. They know the whole system well. They know they're sort of interactive with these hospitals. They know the people. They know the way in which everything works here. So yes, from my perspective, absolutely essential. I don't know what I would have done without their guidance and their assistance. So nothing but praise. A wonderful group of people that really, really, really came to the party, and I would recommend to anybody. That's it. You don't want to go on too much longer, otherwise it sounds like I'm selling. And I mean that. I mean, I don't know how the hell one would have gotten through this without you guys. If I'd come with the wife, we would have organized taxis and all sorts of things. But there's the finer details, like getting into the hospital. What floor do you go to? Who do you speak to? There are language issues. So, but yes, thank you. Thank you. Is it still running?
Yeah, it's
I'll get out of it.